Matthew Paget from Risk Management Services Limited, which is a subsidiary company of the NFU Mutual Insurance Company. Here really this evening to basically have a look at health and safety on farms, concentrating on a bit of the practical side of the things as well by having a bit of a demonstration, and also to have a look at the paperwork behind the regulations and the Health and Safety Act. Really what we're going to do is we're going to set up a tractor and sprayer sort of setup, and identify some of the more common features that if they were to go wrong they could cause serious accident and injury to both farmers and their workers, and also, you know, the follow-on implications on their families as well. So hopefully what we're going to do and what we try and do is suggest some practical solutions to some of the most common problems, and thereby obviously reduce the risk of any accidents happening, and any hazards, hopefully we can eliminate them. If not, you know, totally get rid of them. At least we can minimise the risks from the hazards that we see commonly on farms, really. A lot of it's to do with maintenance of equipment, making sure that your guards are all in place, restraining chains are working and in place, tractors and all your vehicles are regularly maintained on a regular basis, serviced as necessary. In terms of work at height, all your equipment is there. You try and use, instead of using ladders for example, you've got a lifting cage. When you're changing roof sheets, you change it from the inside rather than going up on the outside on ladders and potentially falling through roofs and things like that. It's mainly about thinking about things before you get up and do things.